How to change domain name on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to change your domain name on Shopify. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you guys will open up your Shopify admin and you'll get right here. In order to change the domain of your Shopify store, you will simply go to settings. In settings, you have to scroll down to domains right here. Click on domains and it will open up all the domain related settings. Right here you can see it says domain and change to a new myshopify.com domain. So if you want to actually connect an existing domain that you have bought, you can connect from here. It will also change your domain, or you can change a new myshopify.com. So click on it and you can enter any kind of domain name that you want to. You can see right now I have myswaycloset.myshopify.com. So maybe I can change it to just swaycloset1.myshopify.com. So it will show me it is available. I can click on add domain and my domain will be changed on Shopify. So that's how easy it is to change a domain name on Shopify. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.